sa
Sister Reyes Sanalias. St. Arnold Johnson Paris. Capitol Chapter. Capitol Chapter led by Sister Bertie. Please read the Metropolitan Cathedral Parish. St. Vitalis of Milan Parish. Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral. Recipient Abing, Archdiocese Shrine, which is Doctora Anisita Rimaldi. Next is Danao Chapter. Sister Beatrice Laurenti, Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish. Next is El Pardo Chapter, with their president, Sister Alma Viva, Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish. Next is Labangon Chapter, with Sister Lisilda Caputi from Virgen de los Remedios Parish. Next is Ronda Chapter, with St. Rosario Rica Franca, Our Lady of Parish. Next is Sacred Heart Chapter, with St. Archdiocesan Shrine of the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus Parish. Next is San Jose Recoletos Chapter, which is Helen Veloso, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish. Next is San Nicolas Chapter, Adelino Parish. Next is Santo Rosario Chapter, which is Ligaya Vincito from Our Lady of the Holy Rosary Parish. Next is Similac Chapter, Sister Redon Rizada from Our Lady of the Divine Grace Parish. Next is Subang Dako Chapter, Maricho Arizala, San Roque Parish. Next is Talampan Chapter with Maria Naira. Next is Talisay Chapter with Rosalina de Lima from Archdiocese Shrine of St. Teresa de Avila. Next is Lutupan Chapter. No more? Ay, naman. Next is Lapu-Lapu Chapter. It is Sister Medellin or Talis from Nuestra Señora de Regla Parish. Next is Lutupan Chapter with Sita Wasawas